This is Neil Schneider from Meant to Be Seen at CES 2018. Future computing, of course, is really big this year. To my immediate right is Nick Tricuri. He is president of ThirdEye Gen. Welcome to the program.
Thank you.
So tell us about ThirdEye Gen. What do you guys do?
So at ThirdEye Gen, we generate augmented reality smart glasses. Our X1 augmented reality smart glasses are at the cutting edge of AR. It has about a 40-degree diagonal field of view, which is very good for augmented reality. It has a high-definition display, so when you put on a smart glass, you feel you're in a great experience. You can see the screen really easily, and it's a really user-friendly smart glass.
Well, let's rewind a little bit.
Sure.
Let's talk about augmented reality. So when you're talking about augmented reality, what are you referring to?
So augmented reality, we're referring to overlaying the real world with digital information. So virtual reality, people will know, is when they put on a headset, they get transported to another world. AR is different because you see information in your field of view, except it's not in the real world. It's digital information. So there's a lot of cool real world applications that we've been developing for our smart glasses. One really cool application we made for a lot of colleges actually is AR campus tours, where people wear glasses and they walk around campus and they see digital information overlaid over specific geolocations. So that's one really cool AR application. Another application we developed is our remote help application, which has been huge for manufacturing logistics, where remote workers can wear glasses, stream their live point of view to an expert, have live audio video communication, stream, record. So there's a lot of cool AR applications we've been developing and have been really useful.
Can you elaborate some of the customers you've been working with?
So some of the customers we've worked with, for example, sports, entertainment, manufacturing, logistics. Some of them we're still working with them, but we work in different colleges. For example, in Florida, we have about 10 colleges we're working with to create this AR campus tours. We're also working with sports entertainment like the USTA, where we're making an application where someone wears our glasses and they can watch 8 different high-definition matches in real time just by head motion. So there's cool AR applications we've been making.
What about military? Have they taken an interest in this?
So military has taken an interest in terms of you can have live point of view communication where a soldier could wear glasses, they could stream their live point of view, and they could be connected to a command center far away. So this is a ruggedized smart glass. It's passed regulation IP67, so it can be used in different locations, and there's no harm of using it.
Really good stuff. So just to recap, you brought up the specifications really quick. If memory serves, it was 40-degree field of view. Am I right?
So it's a 40-degree diagonal field of view, which is the equivalent of a 90-inch screen at 10 feet, which is really good for a pair of smart glasses. For example, Google Glass is about 15 degrees. Then our display resolution is high definition, 1280 by 720p. So if you're watching a movie or seeing information, it's really clear. There's no clarity issue at all when you wear smart glasses. And our brightness is not an issue it's not an issue, so you can be at any location, you can be at nighttime, different lighting situations, and you can still see the display really clearly because we have a really high brightness set up in here.
Can you, holding the glasses up, maybe just hold up for the camera so they can see, could you quickly explain how the image gets to the display?
Sure, so our 2 displays are behind each of these outer lenses, and the display gets shot down into the prisms and shot out. So this helps the image keep its clarity because it doesn't go through a lot of different angles. It just goes in and out. So the clarity and the brightness is really easily maintained, which is huge for our users. They want to be able to see the screen really clearly. So we have 2 displays in both eyes, so it's a binocular smart glass, so that enables us to have a wide field of view.
Very good. And then the tracking, to detect the environment around you, how does that work?
So you can run marker-based and markerless-based applications on this. For example, if you tag an image, you can have a digital content come up over that image. You can train it to recognize faces. For example, we're developing a neural network-based AR application where if you look at someone, you can train it to recognize your name. So there's a lot of different stuff you can train it to do. It has a 13-megapixel camera, so in terms of clarity, seeing stuff that's far away, you can zoom in and you can not have issues with clarity. So,
has the latency been measured on this yet?
Latency, in terms of our applications that we've developed, it's not been an issue. And we run applications where someone's been using their glasses and he's been hundreds of miles away from another user. But it's not been an issue. So thankfully, we developed it in such a way that you can run a lot of high-powered applications. We have a really powerful GPU on this, so you can run parallel processing and you can run it's basically a computer on your face. So a lot of stuff you can run on your phone, you can run the exact same stuff on here.
Okay, very good. Well, thank you so much for joining us. If people wanted to get their hands on this, how would they do it?
So you can go to our website, www.thirdeyegen.com, and you can place pre-orders anytime. We're shipping in Q1 of this year, in March. So anyone can place an order online and they can get it in a couple of months.
How much?
So we develop customized pricing solutions for different people. So if you want a specific software, which most people do, then we developed customized pricing for them, which we found has been really useful because no one just wants to buy this, they want to buy some useful applications on it as well. So we have customized pricing solutions which are also available on our website.
So, very good. Well, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you for your time.
This is Neil Schneider from MTBS-TV at CES 2018. We will, of course, be back with more. Thank you for watching.